get that?
Do it again.
Dade.
Smile for us,
Dade,
son.
you're 2 months today. What do you think about that? 2 months old. Uh-oh. That's a drool. So
Milo
excited
says,
to
I want to
drool.
be in the picture. Milo says, I want to be in there.
Dade. Dade. Hey, honey. Hey, you're 2 months today, huh? That's a big boy. That's a big boy. Dade's a big boy. Hello. Hello. Dade, look up here. Up here. Dade. Hi, honey. Hi. Oh, you look sleepy. Is that a sleepy boy? He's not a sleepy boy. You want to play. You want to play? Yeah? You want to play and laugh and have fun? Is that what you want to do? Yeah, it is, huh? You don't want to sleep. No sleep for Dade. No sleep.
Where's your thumb, son? Huh?
Did you find your thumb?
Where's your thumb?
Huh?
Can you show us? Can you show Daddy? He's focused on that red light.
Yeah, he likes the camera. I know I'm being filmed.
He does.
I look at the camera. I look right at the camera. Yep. No smiles. Hey, honey. Look over here. Dade. Dade. Hi. Hi, little boy. Hi. Oh, my sweet little boy. You're my sweet little boy. Are you done playing with us now? Huh?
One more big smile, son.
You want one more smile?
One more smile.
Come on, one more smile. Give us one more. Hi. Hi, little boy.
Little
What is
smirk.
that little smirk?
There it is.
That little smirk. What are you doing?
No.
Hi. Hi. Hi, little boy. Oh, he's a good boy. You're so sweet. Such a sweet boy. Huh? Yeah. Is that right? Yeah? Oh, and then what happened? Huh? You're so cute. Yeah, and then what happened? Did you go talk to all your friends? Does that monkey talk to you in the bedroom? Huh? Does that monkey talk to you? He says, ooh, ooh, ooh. Give me a banana. Give me a banana. Is that what he says? Huh? He does? Oh my goodness. Do you give him a banana? Huh? No? You don't? Oh, I see. Next time then, huh? Next time you give him a banana. Yeah. Uh-huh. He's such a good boy. You're falling down now. You're sinking in the chair. You're sinking in the chair. Can you stand up? Push up. Push up. Push up with those legs. Use those legs. Use them. Use them. Yeah. You can stand up. Say, I can stand. I'm a big boy. You're going to stand up? Stand up. Push up. Push up. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Use those legs. Use those legs. You don't want to use them anymore? No? Oh, I see. Push him, push him. Push him, push him, push him.